Experiencing your phone is not registered on a network on your Boost Mobile device? This error means your phone isn't properly connected to Boost Mobile's network due to an IMS registration failure. IMS is crucial for modern services like VoLTE, VoWi-Fi, and RCS messaging. This can cause issues with cellular data, calls, and texts, even with signal bars showing. The root cause can be incorrect APN settings, SIM card issues, software glitches, or problems with the phone's IMS configuration. T-Mobile firmware updates sometimes fix the problem, but can also cause it. Let's troubleshoot and get you reconnected. The first step is to check and reset your APN settings. Go to your phone's settings and ensure your APN is set to Boost Mobile's defaults, such as Boost or fast.tmobile.com. Incorrect APNs prevent data registration. Second, for Android devices, force IMS registration using the dialer code *#4636 #* to access IMS settings and try forcing registration. Third, update your carrier settings using the Boost Mobile app or your phone's settings to check for any carrier settings updates. Fourth, toggle airplane mode on and off to force a network re-registration. Finally, if these steps don't work, contact Boost Mobile support or consider SIM replacement.